Travel Bees! Me and Honey Bunny here. Hey there, Travel Bees! We will share a tip for tips and tricks for today. And on my agenda, step into my office here on my couch and see my boss here, Honey Bunny. On my agenda today, I want to share a tip with you of something that people miss out many times. And this is a question from me to you. When was your page, your YouTube page, updated the last time? Make it pretty, make a banner, make a nice new banner, make with something that represents you. You can do it in Canva for free, and if you type YouTube banners, they will give you the exact measurements. Now make sure that you will do the image exactly in the middle of the Canva, in the middle of the banner, because on the phone you will see just a tiny bit of it. On laptops or TVs you will see the full banner, but people are more on the phone than on the TV. Yeah, so do that. Do your banner with the things that you like to do and you film on your channel. Beside that, put a representative photo of it. I like mine, I love it, with the donut that is smiling. I was so happy eating that donut that you can't imagine, so I don't want to change that. And I recently, I don't know, a few months ago, I did my banner. Do the descriptions on your channel page. Do your descriptions, put an email address, tell us about you and about your passions and what made you start this channel. Put a motto. Do something that you like, but make it new and fresh. Your first page of YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you guys later. Bye! Say bye, Honey Bunny. Say bye, Honey Bunny. Oh, he's so warm and he's sitting on my foot right now.